Every semester, students across the country face a major challenge: the imposing price of textbooks and course materials. While 38% of students report their parents supplied the funds to buy textbooks, the remaining 62% face this burden on their own. If a professor chooses an expensive textbook, it can place a considerable strain on a student's finances. Because of this, 1/3 of all students do not purchase all of their assigned materials. This presents a difficult problem for bookstores. How do you keep prices low to keep from losing customers, while still maintaining the margins needed to stay in business? NBC is dedicated to solving this problem. Our studies have shown that students shop around online to find the best prices for their textbooks, and 74% of them visit the school's bookstore in their search. That gives school bookstores a big opportunity to win over the students by providing a large selection of affordable buying options. That's why we've developed several programs to expand your affordable textbook selection. Our rental program has helped students get affordable access to over 100,000 titles and is fully integrated into the NBC platform. Choose from our fully managed rental program, which takes all the risk out of rental, or our partially managed rental program, which allows you to have more control. The partially managed rental program allows you to choose which titles to include and set your own pricing. In addition to saving students money, this helps your store stay more competitive by tapping into a new revenue source. 47% of students currently rent at least one textbook. We've also found ways to lower overhead and drive savings through digital delivery of course materials. And our used textbook program helps you build and maintain your inventory of affordable books, allowing you to provide students with consolidated shipping, efficient time-saving ordering, and a single source ordering point. But that's not all. Our sourcing solution and industry partnerships helps lower costs, allowing you to pass these critical savings onto the students. NBC's partnership with Red Shelf offers over 300,000 digital titles, delivering course materials to students how they want it at a more affordable price. NBC has always offered affordable textbook solutions, and we are committed to being your reliable partner in offering solutions to support your students' needs while building your business and growing your bottom line. Want to learn more? Contact us today.